Trump versus Musk, Tesla just lost $150 billion in a single day. What's really going on? Hey everyone, it's Ken here. In today's video, we're diving into the explosive showdown between President Donald Trump and Elon Musk and what it really means for Tesla, its stock price, and the future of EV policy in the US. Whether you're a Tesla owner, investor, or just a fan of what Elon is building, this is a critical update you don't want to miss. Let's break it down. The whole firestorm began with a post by Trump on his platform Truth Social. He said, quote, Elon Musk is the biggest subsidy recipient in history. Without government funding, he would have gone back to South Africa. He even went as far as suggesting that by eliminating Tesla, SpaceX, rockets, satellites, and EVs, America could save a ton of money. Elon Musk didn't stay silent. He fired back on X, writing, I am literally saying cut it all now. But he didn't stop there. Elon added, lawmakers who campaign on cutting spending but then vote for the biggest debt increase in history should be ashamed. Even if it's the last thing I do, I'll help primary them out of office next year. This isn't just political banter anymore. It's becoming a full-blown clash. Tesla versus Trump. And the implications go far beyond social media drama. Why? Because this could impact government subsidies, energy policies, and the overall regulatory climate for Tesla. The market reacted instantly. Right after Trump's post about cutting all subsidies, Tesla's stock plunged, down as much as 7% in a single day. That's over $150 billion in market value wiped out, gone in 24 hours. The drop wasn't just about stock sentiment, it was about political risk. Tesla has been tightly linked with government initiatives, from EV tax credits to energy storage incentives. So when a presidential candidate threatens to cut that support entirely, investors get spooked fast. And that led to a key question making the rounds among analysts. Can Tesla really survive with zero subsidies? Elon says yes, but Wall Street isn't convinced. This showdown is now a textbook case of how politics can make or break a company's value, no matter how innovative that company is. Coming up next, we'll look at how this conflict could shape Tesla's earnings, policy outlook, and what investors should prepare for in the months ahead. But here's where things get serious. This isn't just a war of words. What's at stake is regulatory risk. Wedbush Securities issued a warning that this political tension could lead to regulatory headwinds for Tesla. That means real, tangible threats like cuts to EV subsidies or the cancellation of government contracts that could directly impact Tesla's business operations. And it's not just theoretical. Federal support for EV purchases, charging infrastructure, and even energy storage could all be scaled back. If that happens, not only would Tesla take a hit, but it could slow down the entire EV industry in the US. To make things even more complicated, Tesla is about to report its Q2 earnings. According to bar chart, the current consensus EPS forecast is $0.3, a 29% drop from the $0.42 reported last year. And as some of you may already know, Tesla's delivery numbers in China and Europe have been slipping year over year. The growth engine is losing steam, at least for now. So when you combine all this, stock under pressure, political attacks from Trump, looming subsidy cuts, and weak earnings projections, you get a perfect storm that puts Tesla in one of its most challenging positions in recent years. That said, there are still bright spots. Tesla is rolling out its new AI assistant Grok, aiming to create a completely new in-car experience. And the Robotaxi pilot program has already started in places like Austin, Texas. So while the short-term outlook feels rough, the long-term growth story still has legs. Tesla today is walking a tightrope, balancing near-term headwinds with long-term innovation. It's complex, it's risky, but it's also exciting. So, to wrap up today's video, we covered the rising tension between Trump and Elon Musk, Tesla's stock drop, the potential risk of losing subsidies, and what the upcoming earnings report could mean for investors like us. This isn't just political theater anymore. It's impacting real numbers, real stock prices, and shaping the landscape Tesla has to navigate. If subsidies get pulled, can Tesla really survive without them? Or will it shake the very foundation of the growth we've seen over the past decade? That's the big question for Tesla owners and investors alike. But don't forget, Tesla is still pushing forward. From Grok to Robotaxis, they're laying the groundwork for what's next. What do you think about all this? Was Trump's criticism fair or an overreach? Is Elon's "we don't need subsidies" stance realistic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. Before we go, quick stock check. Tesla is trading down big today, sitting around $302. That's it for today's update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe. I post daily Tesla updates that keep you informed without the noise. Also, I'm active on X and Instagram, sharing daily insights and connecting with Tesla fans from all around the world. I'd love to hear from you, especially if you're planning a trip to Japan. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and as always, let's enjoy life with Tesla. See you next time.